This video coincides with chapter 12 of the book. What we're doing in this video is adding audio and visual effects to our game. We'll start with audio. First, under Assets, there's an audio folder. This is something that the book will show you how to upload these. These are available to you on the PAC website. You could click on each one of these, play them by looking in the inspector window, and you can see the settings there as well. Nothing that has to happen. You can go to prefabs. We're down here on the project panel, and we're going to look at the Beetles. The Beetle prefab I have selected here, and then over in the inspector view, you can see the Beetle NPC script has these audio sources. And we'll have to do something about that, but first I want to show you how to make this happen in the script. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Beetle NPC script. And here it is. And here we go right here. We created an audio source in these audio clips. So here's the audio source. The eating is, for example, let's go back to the audio. And here we can take the eating, we'll drag it right there. Attack, same thing. Name these on purpose. And then the beetle die. And let's go take a look at the script and see what's happening. So on start, we added an audio source, and then here down the bottom is an example of audio source. We play the die audio. Here we have it here again. Here in the middle of your screen, when we collide with the beetle, we'll play the attack audio source. Now we'll look at the Cucumber Man manager script, and we'll see the audio components we have there. Here we have several for game over, respawning, dying. So here is the if lives remaining, so a life is lost. So we're going to play the audio dying. Same thing here. If we are down another life, and then the last time, we're going to play the game over audio. And we'll go back and we'll look at the Cucumber Man. And we can see over here in the inspector view, there's a Cucumber Man manager script, and you can see here we have dying, respawning, game over, and those audio files are there. We also have an audio source. And the book talks a lot about these settings here. Now let's take a look at some visual effects. I've already looked at some lighting, so we'll show you one specific one here is a point light. We'll place it under the tree so that it can be illuminated. You can see as we move it, we can use a transform to change it. And they're just used for various things. This gives a glow effect, and place it on the tree just for illustrative purposes. Now we'll highlight one additional visual effect, that's particle system. Here spawn pad 1, and you see that we have subordinate to it a particle system. When I click on that, you can see that, and here in the lower right hand corner of the scene view we can stop, play, restart. We can experiment with it greatly. And over here in the inspector panel we have the particle system, and we can change its color, so many things we can do. You see the number of settings are quite immense. And we can open the editor, and we can change lots of our effects there. And this is in play because you can have many different particle systems, and this editor is a great way to manage them. And we put this in game mode, and you can see there the particle system in place. And that concludes this video.